Video number 15, Shocking E-Commerce Case Studies. BushwickKitchen.com. BushwickKitchen.com, formerly known as Mixed Made, is the combined effort of Casey and Morgan, two friends that wanted to offer the world the experience of tasting the most interesting things through mixing the unexpected. Their aim was to create, market, and ship a product in 30 days and put it on pre-sale as soon as possible within that same time frame. The strategy was to pursue potential leads and get them to promote the product. They started by getting people interested when they were doing their research for the perfect honey recipe and giving out samples of what they got from their experiments in the kitchen. They used their personal email lists and their personal Facebook pages, both of which soon snowballed into guest posts, TV appearances, and magazine features. Results: they got an astonishing 2,200% growth and revenue of $170,000 heading into the last 30 days of the year. PixieFair.com. PixieFair.com is owned by Cinnamon and Jason, who saw a great opportunity when they noticed that the doll's clothing that she was designing for her daughter was creating great hype among neighbors, to create the largest and most popular website for doll enthusiasts around, where everything doll-related from clothing to accessories could be found. They used YouTube videos about the creation process to get traffic and email marketing for keeping their fan base up to date. They also started offering digital goods like patterns for doll clothing. Results: they went from monthly revenue of $1,000 to an amazing $600,000 of annual revenue. LuxyHair.com. LuxyHair.com was created by Alex and Mimi Icon, who stumbled upon a great business opportunity when they noticed that hair extensions were pretty difficult to come by. It was to create the first and the best customer-centric hair extension online retailer on the face of the internet. By the couple was as simple as it was effective. Find the best hair extension suppliers and then start using YouTube to promote their product. They created a channel where they post tutorials on using hair extensions. Results: the couple says that sales through their site generated a 7-figure yearly income, which places it in the millions. Their YouTube channel has amassed 1,474,246 subscribers and 173,657,120 total video views since its inception. NationalParksDepot.us. NationalParksDepot.us is an online venture started by Robert Nava, who never imagined himself running a successful e-commerce website after a life in and out of prison. At the beginning, Robert had a small Facebook fan page where he featured beautiful pictures of national parks around the world, and he also used it to sell some t-shirts on the side. One day he heard something about drop shipping, and he thought that it would be worth it to give it a try. That is how he made up his mind to create a quality website to sell mountain gear to people around the world. To simply expand his Facebook page by using Facebook advertising to promote his Shopify page. He started with a $60 budget for advertising, which he quickly saw rise to $1,000 and up. Results: after just 2 weeks of initial sales, Robert saw profits skyrocket from $0 to $80,000, which continued to rise with each passing year. RawGeneration.com. Jessica Geyer is a certified health coach from New Jersey who, along with her dad, started a company called Raw Generation, which ended up being RawGeneration.com, an e-commerce website where people can find healthy, nutrient-rich, unpasteurized fruit and vegetable juices. It was to create the best product they could in the span of a few days and concentrate on a marketing plan at the same time. They wanted to encourage repeat business with their products and marketing, and the name Raw Generation was what they came up with. In the beginning, they to use sites like Groupon.com, where they could avoid risk by using sites that paid for sales even with small losses, but that could only guarantee them that their products were being promoted. Results: they went from $8,000 in revenue to a staggering $96,000 in revenue in 2 months, starting in May and peaking in July, and staying there to this date. FinchGoods.com. FinchGoods.com is an e-commerce site that curates and sells fishing instruments and accessories for men. The site is owned by Richard Lazera. It was to create one of the highest quality sites for men to find top quality accessories while maintaining solid relationships with both customers and suppliers. Richard focused on incentivizing customers through action, And he did it by automating cart abandonment emails using Klaviyo and giving their customers reward points by completing actions like checkout. Results: Richard got 12 orders for a total of $1,235 in his first 25 days in business. Beardbrand.com. Eric Bandholz created Beardbrand.com to sell beard care products that otherwise would be really hard to find in common brick-and-mortar stores. Was to establish a brand, something unique for the unique people that he was going to sell to. He also wanted to go from $0 to over $100,000 in monthly sales. He focused his efforts on marketing to urban bearded men, using a Facebook campaign along with his strongest assets, his About and Vision pages on his website. Results: Eric saw immediate growth in sales and popularity, going from $0 to over $120,000 in monthly revenue. DiamondCandles.com. Diamond Candles is an e-commerce company that sells and distributes scented candles made of soy, which is managed by Justin Winter and his team ever since its humble beginnings. To overcome the hardships brought upon by a very limited budget and venues for advertising, Justin created what he calls a conversation starter. That is a product that people are guaranteed to talk about on casual and special occasions, which give him an advantage when promoting it through social media platforms. To complement this strategy, they also used user-generated content like candle unboxing and reveals by their customers. Results: conversion rates saw a 13% surge in the following weeks, which has given them over 1 million social media followers to date. BelayShades.com. BelayShades.com is an initiative of Tim Ferriss and Daniel Bliss, who together designed a website to sell Belay glasses. Daniel to start an online business that could help him land $4,000 a month so he could quit his day job. Find a unique product and concentrate on promoting it through mailing lists and Google, which they rapidly did. Results: within the first 5 days, an online retailer contacted Daniel about an order they had placed. The order total was $4,200. SimCity.com. SimCity.com is the microsite for the latest SimCity game, and it's owned by Electronic Arts. The site was created to highlight the features of the game and as a place to buy it. Digital sales made up 50% of total sales for the game, so far on multiple venues. To promote the game and increase digital sales through Electronic Arts' Origin digital delivery service. Electronic Arts' marketing team ran an A/B test and wondered if they could increase conversions by removing a big promotional banner that was taking up too much space, which moved more important information about the game higher on the page. So they did. Results: they saw an incredibly fast 43% increase in conversion by removing said promotional banner.